Welcome. If you're experiencing connecting problems with Gmail on your PC, fret not, as we've got some troubleshooting tips to help you out. Let's dive into the steps you can take to fix Gmail connecting issues. To begin, try refreshing the Gmail web page. A simple refresh can sometimes resolve temporary connectivity issues and get Gmail back up and running smoothly. Next, clearing your browser cache and cookies might do the trick. We recommend visiting your browser's support website for detailed instructions on how to clear the cache and cookies. This step can help improve browser performance and potentially resolve any connection problems you're facing. If refreshing and clearing cache doesn't solve the problem, consider logging out of Gmail desktop and then logging back in. This quick action can sometimes reset the connection and address any underlying issues. If the problem persists, a device restart could be the solution. Turn off your device, wait for about 30 seconds, and then power it back on. This can help refresh your device's network settings and may resolve the Gmail connecting problem. In certain scenarios, such as using office or university campus Wi-Fi, connection issues may arise. In such cases, try connecting to a different network or switch to using mobile data to see if the problem lies with the network you're currently on. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can potentially resolve Gmail connecting problems on your PC and get back to using your email seamlessly. Remember, trying these simple fixes first can often save you time and hassle. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. We hope these tips have been useful in guiding you on how to fix Gmail connecting problems on your PC. Stay connected and enjoy your Gmail experience.